this is what you can see happening. The first 5 overs, different story. Next 5 overs, absolutely different story.
Thank you, brother. If you look at almost we are 10 overs have gone, and it can easily be described in two parts. The power play, where Bhagalpur dominated despite losing 3 wickets. In the first 6 overs, they got 64 runs. But in the last 4 overs, Angika Avengers, the champion team, they are yet to lose a match. The ballers pulled them back.
Out. And in the first 4 overs, it's not. And boundaries dry down, follow wickets, pick them back as well. So not a bad thing at all.
The good thing though for Bhagalpur Bulls is that Captain Rahmatullah is still there, although he's not as dominant. But if you look at his stats throughout the tournament so far, he's among the top 5 batsmen.
Add to that, that's the reason he actually symbolizes the fact, underlines what you mentioned.
He's in the second highest run getter for his team after Ankit Singh. Ankit Singh once again gave them a blazing start, 35 runs in 15 balls.
Alright. The bowling side won the toss and they said we're going to chase it down because they've been chasing quite successfully. This is the last day of the league stage. From tomorrow we'll have the 2 semi-finals, the big final on the 26th. Drives handsomely down, rotates the strike yet again.
Today morning I had a brief chat with Subrata Banerjee as well as Mr. Venkatesh Prasad. And both were quite happy, not only because of their team's performance obviously.
4 matches, 137 runs, 15 fours. There's also 8 useful sixes. Now that beat him up completely, but they had the match awareness. And they took that single. And we talk about his hitting prowess. We'll talk about it later. Beats him completely. Beats the batsman, beats the stumps, beats the wicket keeper too.
Everyone is beaten.
But you can't beat the commentators. This is the lull before the storm, is it? Cheeky. No, the fielder was up. This is going to be an interesting chase. Will just be 2, I guess. Yes, fields quite comfortably in the end. And 11 overs gone, 83. For 3.
Kinds of bikes. Geared up for something new. Something better. Live on Eurosport.
We're looking at the 10 top 10 scorers. Leading scorers in the tournament. 174 Bipin Saurabh got to see that century and a half century. Ankit Singh 143. Bipin Saurabh even.
Look at this contest is more about Bhagalpur Bulls batsmen versus Angika Avengers bowlers. Because if you look at the chart, leading charts, Angika.
Well done, that's an interesting stat. Okay, that's the reason they've been able to pull things back in the previous actually belong to the bowling side completely. Still, I think this is a... Oh! Would you believe it? Sonia... The insult to injury would be that it also went for a 6.
And Bhagalpur will believe that
I think he did not position himself very well. He had ample time to move a couple of steps onto the right, then he would be gobbling it in front of his eyes. And that would have been a fairly easy position for him to catch that ball. But fortunately, he went
first class cricketer. How much does it, Angika Ranger, they are yet to lose a match, and then Bhagalpur was, obviously it's a very crucial game for them. So does that also put some pressure, doubt in your mind?
sometimes can rough your edges. So pressure can burst apart. Pressure can create damage. It's up down. How you carry it weighs you down. Well done. Good dive in the air. But then come back strong. What we tell them that the belief Vimal is always with this side, even on the chip. Sit down. Little update. For those of you who've just joined in, we love chasing. They have a fetish for chasing. They know this ground very well. Rapish! Oh, great effort. We would not like to take anything away from that effort because he had to